Good afternoon, people of Eswatini. It's yet that day, November 27, and we're here with Eswatini Daily News. I'm your host, Bello, as usual. With me today are my girls, my girls, hey. And it's Sato Hamba, we're about to embark on the march. And on our far left is our cops, the 5-0. We got the 5-0 with us. I got the 5-0. We got the 5-0. We're about, guys, I'm sure it's like 35 or more. Woo! It's hot. It's really, really hot. But we're going to do this. It's all about sharing and caring, because that is what we do as human beings. So we're about to do this. Giving Tuesday. Hashtag, that's the hashtag to use. And don't forget to subscribe with us. Yes, it's Yamba Manje. Yep, boss, Yamba Manje. Sharing is what? Sharing is caring. So we are here. We are by where's this place, by the way? We're almost by Dupes now, and we're moving. Siyahamba, guys. Siyahamba. Sharing is caring. Hashtag is Giving Tuesdays. We are about to save the nation. We're about to feed the nation. Everyone deserves a happy meal on Christmas. Everybody deserves warm clothes for Christmas. Yes, let's do this. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. Yeah. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring.
No, great achievement. Very final. We've managed to do, even though the Poland is not okay, but we've made it.
Yeah, sharing is caring. Sharing is caring.
Tinsimbi leti nga pheli manje leti.
Sharing is caring, ladies and gentlemen. Sharing is caring. Whatever you have, if you don't use it, give it to another person who needs it. Whatever you have, if you don't use it, give it to someone else that needs it. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. Yes, we're doing it. We're raising the awareness. Sharing is caring. Giving Tuesdays on a Tuesday, eh? How ironic is that? We are here with Eswatini Daily News representing SEM Cares Foundation. Sharing is caring. Whoa. What a day. So as you saw, we left the building and we are back at the building, at Derryport building. You guys, I wish you were here. My friends were here. My chomies were here. My boss was here for funny reasons. My boss was here. Yes, it's sharing is caring, guys. It's Giving Tuesdays. We have done it, and some people have come in. They have given us some things. So it's happening. Swaziland is getting away. Out here, right here in Eswatini. So whatever you have, no matter how small it is, please do bring it here at Derryport building. When you get here, just consult the security guard and he will bring you to our offices. Be it a pair of pads, be be it a tin of cool beans, be it a 5 kg mpupu, whatever it is, be it a skipa, be it a pants, whatever it is. People of Eswatini, I am believing in you. Eswatini Daily News is believing in you. Let us give back to the community. From me, Bello, and the whole team at Eswatini Daily News, that's it. We are the Azishege.